Hello, I'm Ashley and I'm an Amazon influencer, and today we're going to be talking about how to have a successful Prime Early Access sale. So if you didn't know, now you know. The Prime Early Access sale is a brand new Prime member only exclusive sales event that is offering Black Friday caliber deals, but starting earlier in the fall. So for Amazon influencers and associates, this is a perfect opportunity to share deals with your audience and earn commission on qualifying purchases. And remember, you can earn commission on all of the purchases made by your audience within 24 hours of clicking your link. And that's even when they're buying products other than the ones that you directly linked. So it is a huge opportunity to earn big. So the Prime Early Access sale is going to be October 11th and 12th, so start prepping now. So in addition to earning commission on qualifying products that are on deal for the sale, you can also earn with bounties. Customers will only get the benefits of the Prime Early Access sale if they are Prime members, so be sure to make them aware of the Prime trial sign up, which earns you a bounty fee. And to do that, you can just create an affiliate link to sign up. And of course, there are a ton of perks that come with the Prime membership other than just the sale, like $0 delivery fees for a year with Grubhub Plus, over 2 million songs included with Amazon Music, unlimited photo storage with Amazon Photo, prescription savings, and so much more. So don't forget to remind your audience about all of those benefits that come with an Amazon Prime membership as well, so you can earn those bounties. So the best way to have a successful Prime Early Access sale is to find the best deals and start linking. So during the actual event, all of the deals will be at amazon.com/earlyaccess or amazon.com/deals. So you can set up notifications on products that you know your followers will love, and you can use the Amazon mobile app to set up those notifications and quickly add products you want to watch. You can also look for the small business badge to support small businesses during the sale. And this is super crucial. Make sure you're sharing the correct links to earn commissions. So when you're driving your content on Amazon with your ideal list, your shoppable photos and videos, you always want to use the link directly from your Amazon storefront. And that by default will enable your affiliate attribution so you earn commission on it. So do not use links from anywhere else other than your storefront. And when you're driving to a specific product page, make sure you're using link tools like SiteStripe on desktop or GetLink on mobile in order to receive affiliate attribution. And if you're unsure about anything, you can always use the link checker tool to make sure. Now let's talk about a few tips to maximize your earnings on this amazing opportunity. First and foremost, you want to get your followers excited for the sale. Post on social about the sale happening on October 11th and 12th so that they can get excited, and then maybe post a survey asking what they're shopping for so that you can get ideas on what deals to post and how to curate your storefront for your following. Number 2, make the most of your storefront. Create at least one Prime Early Access sale idea list on your storefront and update it throughout the sale. Or if you want to be even more specific and make it even easier for your followers to shop, you can make multiple idea lists by category. So a fashion idea list, home, beauty, and so on. And make sure your Prime Early Access sale idea lists are pinned to the top of your storefront. So when your followers go to your storefront, it's the first thing they see during the event. Make sure you upload shoppable photos and videos to your Amazon storefront, because shoppable content that you upload to your storefront may also be shown to customers as they're browsing and searching on Amazon. And if your content is selected and they make a qualifying purchase, you earn the commission on whoever that was browsing on Amazon. You can also sign up for creator ads. So your content can be selected to be featured on Amazon social ads, and you'll receive the commission when anybody clicks on your content and makes a qualifying purchase. Next tip, make shopping as easy as possible for your followers. You can use a link tree during the sale and make sure there's an exclusive link for your Prime Early Access sale idea list so they can shop all of your curated picks with one click. And post frequently on stories during the sale with direct links to your shoppable photos, videos, idea lists, and any other products using the correct links. And finally, get smart with your analytics and make the most of the fact that this is a 2-day sale. So to prepare for day 2 of the event, make sure you're checking your earnings report from day 1 and make a best sellers idea list of all of your best-selling products from the first day of the event. And then from there, you can create more idea lists and links for products similar to what your followers were shopping on day 1, especially if products sold out on day 1. And finally, my last tip is that you know your followers better than anyone. You know exactly what your followers come to you for, so make sure you're checking all of the deals and really narrowing it down to stuff that you know your audience will appreciate and be ready to shop for. I know for me, that is definitely shapewear, jeans, and undergarments. So those are the deals I will personally be looking for. Okay, everyone, that is all I've got for you today. I hope these tips helped and you have a super successful Prime Early Access sale. You can find me under the handle SuperAshley127 on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And happy linking!